Hi, Jake again. So I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is for you to make a cup of Aeropress coffee, filter coffee. And I've invited one of our regulars, Chad, to come in and visit us. And so Chad's just going to make coffee for you right in front of you so you can see just how simple it is. Hi, Chad. How are you?
Very well.
Excellent, thanks. So Chad's actually also a semi-professional soccer player, so he should be really good at following directions. Okay, so Chad, first things first, you want to make sure that you wet the filter before you put it in the basket, okay? I've already pre-wet this one so you don't have to do it. All I want you to do is screw it onto the base.
Why do I wet the filter?
So you remove all the paper flavors that could come through your coffee. Set it on the scale. And what I want you to do is put 16 grams of filter coffee inside there.
16 grams.
Keep going. It's the first time, so he's never done this before. A little bit more. It's okay if you go over, or okay if you go under. So the next thing I'd like you to do is you take this Aeropress base and you're just going to set it on top of the coffee cup that you're going to make coffee inside of. Okay? Then I'd like you to take the funnel and put the funnel over the top and take that kettle and pour water into there until the water gets to number 4. Go ahead, pour as fast as you want. Okay, perfect. Put the kettle down, take the funnel out. Put the funnel back over here. And I'd like you to stir that around without knocking it off the cup. Excellent, that's perfect. That's all you need to do. Now here comes the fun stuff, folks, because he's never done this before. We're going to see if he breaks the cup or his shoulder. So I'd like you to take the plunger, put the plunger in the top, and have it level and straight, and push it straight, level, right down into the cup. Yep, as fast as you can or as slow as you want. But make sure you hold on to the Aeropress. Excellent, go ahead. Now go ahead, turn the Aeropress upside down and set it on the table, and have a taste of your coffee.
Not bad at all.
Good job. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you see just how simple it is for even a professional soccer player to make Aeropress, espresso, and filter coffee. Have a nice day.